going to be looking at how to withdraw your Solana from Phantom to Bybit. Okay, how to take your money. So first of all, what we have to do is to go to Phantom. My Phantom is opened already. Once you get to your Phantom wallet, you go to send. As you can see I have $15 worth of Solana. You go to send, you tap on send, and you tap on Solana. When you come here, you post receiver address of Bybit. So I'll go this receiver address of Bybit. I'll go to my Bybit now. This is my Bybit. I'll get over to assets and I'll click on deposit. Then I'll click on deposit with crypto. I'll click on so. If you don't see so here, I've been using it, just type it here. Okay. So I'll just tap on so and I will select. I'll then copy. Either you go here to copy or you come under here to copy. It's the same thing. Once you copy the address, you go back and you paste it. And you paste it in your Phantom wallet. You paste, okay, and you click on next. You'll be asked how much so you have to know the amount of I have 15. I'm going to be taking $12 worth of so $12 worth of should be giving me 0.059. okay, this is a $12.03. okay, so I'm going to click on next. Okay, then you can see network Solana, you can see the network fee. I'll then click on send. So it's sending now. So it's sent. So you just have to wait some time. You just have to wait for some time for it to get. So for now, I'm going to refresh my page, go back to home to see if the transaction has been done. I have to refresh this. It's still showing. Okay. Okay, look at it. They've minused it, so it's left with 3.49. So now let's go back to Bybit. So it's very easy. Okay, so this is my Bybit. I have to go back. I have to go to assets. So I will now come to this. I'm already in my assets, and I have to refresh my page. Let's look for so. Okay, it has not reflected yet. So let's give it some time. Keep refreshing your page. Sorry, this is taking a little bit of our time. This is basically how to do it. I just have to wait. I do not want to make this video too long. I just have to hold on. Okay. This is very easy. Basically to do. I think I have to end this here for now. Minutes. Look at it. Deposit confirmed. Deposit 0. You've seen it. It just showed now. So let's see. I'm sure it will appear now. You can see 0.059. So this is basically how to do it. Now let's say you want to sell it. This is it over here. You want to sell it, like I want to sell this to receive cash. I want to sell it to receive cash. As you can see, it's already on so, and you can't just sell it on P2P because I want USDT. Okay, so all we have to do now is we have to go to spots. So I'm going to click on trade, and this is my trade spots here. This is so okay. So already, yes, this is spots. You make sure it's on spots. Okay. Okay. I think it's on. Okay, it's still on future. So I'll take it to spot. Over here, I'll click on. I'm going to type so. so USD, and you do what? You tap on sell. I'm going to put 11. Our so if you watch the so that we bought is not here, we have 0 so all you have to do when you click on sell, remember to change this. It should be on spot, so slash USD. You go to sell, you come here, click on the plus, you do what? You transfer. So you click on max, confirm. As you can see, we now have our so here. Okay, so you drag this to the end and you do what? You click on sell. Order submitted successfully. Okay, so you go back to your assets, you refresh. As you can see, it's now on your USD. Your USD has increased. So let's check the so. You can see Solana is 0. That means you successfully transferred it. So what next are we going to do? So let's just see where it is. If it's on our Unified wallet, or let's see where the money went to. Yeah. So all you have to do now for us to ascertain where it is right now, we have to go to our asset. You click on asset. When you come to asset, it's on Unified. It's supposed to be on fund, so you can easily release the coin for the person. Okay. So what we are going to do now, click on transfer. You tap the middle here. So Unified up, funding done. Okay. You click on max and you confirm. Transferred successfully. So now as you can see, some funding 14.19 USD. So now we'll have to go to our P2P right away to do the transactions. So it's actually the home. You go to home, you click on P2P. Okay, this is where we are. You click on sell because I'm selling, and I will do what? Tap on the amount. So let's say from people selling from like 10,000, you confirm. Always remember to check your filter. My own is already set. Just go to filter. Okay. Show only verify advertiser. You tap on it and you also click show only eligible ads and you confirm. So that they will bring only people that are eligible. So let's buy from this first guy. As you can see, 99%. Let's tap on JP. Let's tap on sell. So once you tap on sell, you can check condition. So the condition says I will pay you as soon as possible, paying from my personal or business name, JP Express. Payment are really fast, automated. So make sure your account number and bank are enter correct in the right place. Don't write your name in place of bank name. Drop your number in case you don't. So in case you don't release on time, kindly leave a message review once you release. Note that all payment automatically made to the account on the payment page. Don't place order and start arguing that you selected the wrong account. All right. So this is we said we should drop number. So I'm going to type amount 12 yesterday. So it's giving me, remember its rate is 1,541 in naira. So I'm going to receive 18,492, or just call it 18,000. Then bank transfer. So I'm going to tap on save. Payment type, of course. Look at my name. I'm going to I'm going to click on sell fund password and I'll confirm. So okay, right now this is where I'll contact the buyer from. Okay, this is where I'll contact the buyer. I'll be like, I'll drop my number. But that is one of his conditions. So he has 30 minutes. This is almost 29 minutes. Hello, I would pay you as soon as we're paying from my personal. Okay. Let me take a look at it again. Drop your number in case you don't release. Can you leave a pause? Okay. So he's going to be paying with the name, with his company name. Okay. So this is it here. So let's see. Let me see if he will respond to me since he said it's fast. So let's see how it goes. So this is basically how to, how to say, for those of you that said I should do a video. So this is it. So now if he pays this release now, is going to be like, it's going to, if for now it's faint, it's going to be bold. So for now it's unclickable. Okay, so just watch, you see how everything goes. So I'm expecting 18492 from this guy. Okay, I don't know. So we have to wait. I just want to show you, so I can't cut this. I just have to wait to show you. So it's the same thing with buying. If you want to buy, just click on buy. Click on filter, put the amount so it to be selected, and it's so simple. Don't know why a lot of you find this difficult, but there's nothing there. Try it once and you're good to go. Should I call him? I don't know. Let me see. Let me check his WhatsApp. Let me screenshot his WhatsApp number in case. This is WhatsApp number. Let me just screenshot that. I believe you pay. You pay. Just wait. The buyer has paid the money. As you can see, that is what was there. He just paid. So now I have to go to confirm the money. Okay, as you can see now, here it says, you can see cancel or release. So they are asking me to release the coin, but which I will not do. The thing to do is to head over to your banking app, and the bank has, okay, my bank just sent me message. As you can see, 18,492 JB Express, you see it, but I still have to confirm from my bank. Show balance. Okay, so this actually the place to send the money, and also I can also confirm this through my email. If you are not too certain, I also received mail. So there are various ways to confirm payment. As you can see, I have one message on my inbox telling me that credit transaction. Okay, so let's click on it. Make sure you confirm this properly. As you can see, so this is so simple. So right now let's go and release the coin. So once you get here, all you have to do is to tap on release now. So as you can see, never release a coin before confirming payment received. So I've confirmed it. All I have to do is I confirm that I have received payment from this guy. I have not received. So if you have not, you click or I have not received payment. So I've received. So I have to click on release now. So I have to put my password and I'll click on confirm. Voila, completed. Okay, so I'm done. Like, I'm seriously done. Everything has gone. So now let's go and check my balance. Let me go back to asset. You see, this is my 21. Wow, it has reduced. Remember that it was on funding. I had 15 over here. It has reached to 2. And so this one that was 22 has reduced to 9, and so that is it. So very easy. So thanks for watching, and always stay and be glued to my channel. Okay, thank you and bye. See you in my next video.